Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to use the EastWest Virtual Credit Card. This is a convenient way to shop online safely without using a physical card. Let's dive right in. The step 1 is log into your EastWest online banking account. The first step is to log into your EastWest online banking account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to register on their website or app by clicking on sign up. Once you are logged in, you will have access to your accounts, including any virtual cards available. Step 2 is locate the virtual card section. After logging in, go to the credit card section where you can find options for managing your cards. Depending on the layout, you should see an option for a virtual card or generate virtual card under your credit card account menu. Now the third step is generate or activate the virtual credit card. If you haven't created a virtual credit card yet, you will need to click on generate virtual card. EastWest might ask for a few verifications like one-time password OTP to ensure your identity. Once you complete this, your virtual card will be generated and it should appear with a unique card number, expiration date and CVV. Step 4 is take note of card details for future use. Once your virtual card is generated, take note of the card number, expiration date, and CVV. You can copy this for your online shopping. Remember that this virtual card works just like a regular credit card for online transactions. Step 5 is use the virtual card for online purchases. As you can see in this screenshot, to use the virtual card for a purchase, go to any e-commerce website. When you reach the payment page, enter the virtual card details exactly as you would a regular card. Make sure you have enough balance on the card or have set your spending limit if EastWest allows the options. Step 6 is confirm via OTP. EastWest may send an on-time password OTP to verify the transaction, so be prepared to enter the code if prompted. This is a great security feature that adds another layers of protection to your online shopping. Step 7 is monitor transactions and manage the virtual card. After completing your purchases, you can always return to your EastWest online banking account to check your transaction history. If you are done using the virtual card, some banks allow you to deactivate it. This is a good idea to prevent unauthorized use. And there you have it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.